guys, here we're going to draw a treasure map.
Yeah, for a leprechaun, we hope you're going to follow along. For this lesson, we're using a pencil first and then a marker, and you can use whatever you have. You could also use a pencil for the whole lesson. All right, you ready to start?
Yes.
Let's first draw the shape of our treasure map, and we have our paper horizontal so that we can make it really big. So I'm going to start over here, and let's leave some room actually so that we can draw a little leprechaun peeking over the map. I'm going to draw it over here. We're going to come down. And then I'm also drawing it wavy. And this side, I'm going to draw wavy too. And then connect down here. So we have a rectangle shape that has a few waves in it. Yeah. And if you want to, you can use your eraser if you want to change any of your lines. But that looks awesome. Let's switch to our marker. Let's first draw our leprechaun looking over the map. I'm going to draw his little hand right here. We'll draw an oval, and I'm going to draw another oval over here, and we're going over the pencil line. That's the nice thing about drawing with the pencil first, and then we can use our eraser to erase the line going through it. Now let's draw our leprechaun hat. I'm going to draw a diagonal line going across, and then we can draw another line right above it that matches, and then we can connect the left and also the right side. Then let's draw the top of our leprechaun hat. I'm going to draw, this time we've been drawing top hats, but you can also draw a different style where it's just curved. And then let's draw a buckle right here in the middle. I'm going to draw a square. And then we can draw a smaller square inside of that first one. And then we're going to draw the belt, or the part that wraps around, coming out from the buckle. Yeah, that looks awesome. Okay, now let's draw our little leprechaun's head. I'm going to draw a curve coming down and touching the map. Then we could also draw the mouth. I'm going to draw just a little smile right here in the middle. And then we can draw the eyes on each side. On this one, you can see the whole thing. And on this side, maybe you can only see part of it since it's behind the map. But if yours is different and you want to draw the whole thing, you can do that too. We could also draw your leprechaun winking. Now I'm going to draw the highlight, or a smaller circle inside that we're going to keep white when we color it in. This makes the eyes look shiny. Let's also add some hair. I'm going to draw a zigzag line on the left side. Oh, and there's a little gap right here I'm going to connect. And then I can draw the hair sticking out this side. Oh, I like your hair too. That's cute. Okay, now let's draw the map. We're going to start right here and draw or trace over the pencil line. Then we're going to continue on this side coming out of the hand. But let's make our map look worn or old and torn a little. So I'm going to draw the letter V right here. And then we're going to keep tracing over the pencil line. Let's add another tear. Oh, and we could add maybe a smaller one right next to it. And then we're going to come over to the corner, and then we'll go down. And let's add some tears going down this side too. I'm going to draw, you can add these wherever you want. You don't have to match my drawing exact. You can change it. You could also, maybe the corner is torn right here. And I'm going to keep tracing over until we go all the way over to the other side. Hadley, that looks awesome. Okay, let's switch to our pencil again, or the eraser, and erase the lines that you can see where we drew the little tears in the paper. Now this next part is really fun. You could actually stop the video and change your drawing completely. You don't have to follow along with us. You could use this map as your house. Maybe you draw the rooms, your bedroom, or maybe the whole thing is just of your bedroom and you could put your bed and there's a treasure hidden somewhere in your room. But if you want, you can keep following along with us. Let's add our treasure, the pot of gold, first. I'm going to draw it down here. We'll draw the letter U. And then we can draw a line going across the top. And then another line right above that one. And then we'll draw a curve to connect both sides. Oh, we could also add little feet on the bottom of our pot. And then let's draw the treasure. And I'm just going to draw a popcorn line, but if you want, you could draw the individual coins. Now let's draw some obstacles. Maybe there is a river that we have to cross over. And a waterfall. I'm going to draw some grass. And then we can draw the water coming over the edge. And then on the other side, I'm going to draw more grass. And then we can draw a popcorn line for the water crashing down at the bottom. And I'm going to keep going so that it just looks like a cloud. Oh, and this, we could even turn this into, let's connect the river into the waterfall. I didn't even plan that. And it worked out. Then let's draw a tree over here. I'm going to draw the grass and then 2 lines coming out or up from the grass. And then we can draw a popcorn line for the top of our tree. Then let's also draw a rock. I'm going to draw more grass and a big, weird shaped rock. Now you could add even more details to your map. You could get really crazy and add all different things. But let's leave it just like this, and we need to do one more thing.
Color it.
Yeah, this part will speed up, but at the end you can pause the video if you want to match our same coloring.
Or you could color it differently.
Yeah, that would be really cool too. All right, let's speed things up.
Okay.
Hadley, we did it! We finished drawing and coloring our Leprechaun Treasure Map, and it turned out awesome. I especially love all the extra things that you added.
Thank you.
We added gold coins, some sparkles, and also these really cool clovers. And I really like your Art for Kids Hub rainbow.
Thanks, but we're not completely done.
Yeah, what are we missing?
The dotted line on how to get to the goal.
Yeah, I almost forgot. Now we're gonna start over here, but you could change your path and go any way you want. You could also add, maybe there's some other obstacles that you gotta get around. So we have these extra trees that we added. So I'm gonna go this way through the trees, but you could go a different way. I'm gonna go around like this. Oh, and then getting a little tricky. I'm gonna come back down, and then you gotta hop over the water. Don't get wet. And then you made it. I think that completes our drawing.
Yeah, I think this is one of my new favorite lessons.
Yeah, mine too.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing a treasure map with us.
We did. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.